for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, power windows, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, remote keyless entry, HD radio, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.